These fruits are mine. I saw them first this morning when the sun came up. I was running fast looking for food, and I found them before anyone else. I work hard, I wake up early, and I deserve to eat them all. Why should I give them away?
Oh, Rabbit, you always say the same thing. You run fast, yes, but you never think about anyone else. We all live in the same forest, and food is for everyone. If you eat alone today, tomorrow you will be hungry and alone. Why should the rest of us suffer just because you are quick?
Both of you, stop for a moment and take a breath. Fighting will not make the fruits taste better. Rabbit, you say you deserve them because you found them first, but I hear fear in your voice. Tell me honestly, why does sharing make you so afraid? What do you think will happen if you give some away?
I don't like to share because when I was younger, every time I found food, someone stronger took it away from me. I learned that if I don't protect what I find, I will have nothing. These fruits are not just food to me. They are proof that I can take care of myself. If I give them away, it feels like I will lose everything again.
Do you think you are the only one who has suffered? I also know what it means to be hungry. I have waited many nights with an empty stomach, watching others eat, but I don't hide what I feel behind excuses. You call it protection, Rabbit, but it is selfishness. If everyone acted like you, this forest would turn into a place of fear and greed.
Rabbit, your fear is real, and Fox, your anger is real too. But both of you are trapped in the past. Rabbit, you see every meal as a battle. Fox, you see every selfish act as an attack. The truth is, neither of you is listening to what the other truly needs. If you keep holding on to old pain, these fruits will only become another reason to stay divided.
Maybe you are right, but it is hard for me. Every time I try to trust, I remember the moment when others laughed at me and took everything away. I don't want that pain again. That is why I hold the fruits so close. If I give even one, it feels like I am opening the door to being weak again. And weakness has always been dangerous for me.
I understand fear, Rabbit, but you don't see my side. I am tired of always being seen as the greedy one, as if the fox only knows how to steal. When you refuse to share, it is like saying I don't deserve respect. I don't want to take everything from you. I just want to feel that my hunger and my life also matter in this forest.
Both of you carry old stories inside, but today you have the chance to write a new one. Here is my exercise for you. Rabbit, offer one fruit to the fox, not because you are weak, but because you are strong enough to trust again. And Fox, when you receive it, say out loud that you will protect Rabbit's share. This is not about fruits. It is about learning that trust is built one small act at a time.
Here, take this fruit, Fox. My paws are shaking, but I want to try. I am giving it not because I don't care, but because I want to believe again. It feels strange, almost painful, but maybe this is the only way to stop living in fear. If I can trust you with one fruit, maybe I can trust more in the future.
I did not expect this. Thank you, Rabbit. For once, I feel you are not against me. I promise, in front of the owl, that your part is safe. I will not take more than what is fair. And to show you I mean it, I will give one fruit back to you, because respect must go both ways. Today you gave me trust, and I want to give you dignity.
Look at what just happened. One fruit moved between you, and it carried more weight than 1,000 arguments. Rabbit, you learned that sharing does not destroy you. It frees you from the prison of fear. Fox, you discovered that respect is not taken by force but offered in return. This is the lesson. Trust begins small, but each act can grow into peace.
Today I felt something new. I thought sharing would make me weak, but it made me lighter. The fear is still there, but smaller now. I see that trusting does not mean losing. It means giving space for something better to grow between us.
And I also learned today, I don't need to fight all the time to prove myself. When I was trusted, I felt stronger. not weaker. Respect is not about winning against the other, but about walking together in the same forest.
Both of you discovered the truth. One fruit can feed the body, but one act of trust can feed the heart. Fear and anger divide, but respect and trust unite. Let this forest remember, peace does not begin with many words, but with one small action that changes everything. Trust begins small. One act can change a relationship.